is a bold vision to reconnect the city with 10 miles of pathways, and it's going to connect Forest Park to the Gateway Arch National Park, Fairground Park, and Tower Grove Park, with everything in between. So this particular segment is out on Market Street, and we're celebrating because we're going to break ground, start construction in the next couple months from here at Harris-Stowe State University at Compton, all the way down to 22nd at CITYPARK Stadium. It's huge. So we have two small segments right now, but this next segment that we're about to break ground on is the longest one to date. So we're going to have a whole mile here on Market Street. It's really exciting for people to see the momentum that it's actually coming to life. We've been, talking to people for years and getting their input, and now we're really starting to build momentum. We want to connect, it's about 14 neighborhoods here in the city, hundreds of destinations, schools, churches, neighborhoods, businesses, transportation, public transit, you name it, we're wanting to connect it together. A lot of our streets are really overbuilt, and so Market Street is one example where there's plenty of room still for people driving cars, but we're reclaiming some of that space to be able to be for walking and biking. We'll have lots of trees and native plants along the way, public art, as well as the equitable economic development that will come alongside the Greenway. The whole thing will be done in 2030. It's a public-private partnership. So in this segment, we're really grateful for our partners at the City of St. Louis and Harris-Stowe State University, but all the different segments have lots of different partners along the way.